Sibling videos, and we're eating noodles. We also have water, and if you want to save the earth, because you need to use these reuse straws, and these help to do it again and again and again and again, and we don't even need to waste it. Stop buying the new ones, which is plastic. Start buying these. By Jazmin Mukbang. Yay. And don't forget it's actually cuttable. If you cut it, it cuts. That's it. You need to be really careful of these. They're really still like the period of Mexico. Anyway,
No, she's drinking blue one. Okay, let's see who is winning. No, both are not winning. They both are just eating now. So let's see who's gonna be the winner. This time the winner will get
hot dogs. But if they still lose, they still get hot dogs.
No, winner will get one candy, the small one.
Nay!
Yeah, chocolate.
I already eat it all.
No. So let's see who's gonna win. Who's gonna eat fast? That's the winner.
I'm gonna eat really fast, guys. This is definitely gonna win. I'm gonna eat really fast. I lost count.
Yeah, as long as you finish fast, you will be the winner.
I should definitely gonna win.
Yeah, but you have to win.
I just ate all the candy.
No, there is one more left that I haven't shown to anybody. Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna make cookies and I'm gonna give you.
We're gonna make cookies?
Yeah.
But it's not we're gonna put the winner will get hot.
Yeah, you can put that chocolate into the cookies, but now I can just give you some chocolate.
I'm going to pick.
You know, winner don't talk too much. Winner just eat food and be the winner. But you are talking a lot and you are not eating.
But you're talking a lot.
And baby is eating.
But look, she just has a little bit.
Yeah.
That does not count.
Yeah, because baby is small, Jasmine. You're big.
I'm definitely gonna get a big one. Okay, guys. I'm definitely gonna win. I need to win again. Like that. I need to be a little bit sneaky, so I'm definitely gonna win, and I need to eat the biggest bite in the world. So never ever. And then look, guys, I got the biggest. You're going to lose.
Yeah. Oh my God, that one is big one. Jasmine is trying to win, guys. She's eating big amount of what is that? Noodles, and she's trying to eat. Whereas little Eva is just eating one by one. and I don't know little Eva gonna win this competition. Oh, you think you're gonna win? Okay, let's check it out, guys. Let's see how many. Ooh, little Eva have this much left, whereas Jasmine has that much. I think Jasmine can win too. Jasmine is using lots of noodles, and she is using different kind of strategy. Okay, guys.
I swallowed the biggest noodle in the world.
Yes. Let's see. Ooh, baby is also getting two. Oh no, she's eating one. Oh. Ooh, baby is also eating. Okay. Yes.
Guys, this is my last bite.
Okay, guys, tell me, are you the Jasmine team or Eva team?
I'm almost gonna finish. Look, guys.
Oh my goodness.
You're Jasmine, please stop. I promise I'll give you a sticker.
Yes, he's thinking of a sticker. Okay, I'll just see. Okay, let's see.
I need to roll this, and then my mom will give me my pen and baby on that.
I don't know about that. I just want to see who
No,
is
don't
winning.
tell it. I just secret.
Ooh.
I'm gonna eat the biggest one and then done. Come on.
Baby is also eating like same like Jasmine. Baby is looking up in the sky and eating. Oh, Jasmine is eating a lot now. Oh, Jasmine is using different kind of strategy. Okay, she is trying to eat a lot and she is trying to finish that fast. That's cool. Whereas little Eva is just looking at food.
Hey, everybody, can you tell me if you don't know strategies or do? Mama, can you tell me that all the people?
What people?
Strategies?
Oh, strategy is like you plan. If there is something that you want to finish, just you have to plan ahead and you have to finish that quickly. Okay, if you finish that in a right way, you can't cheat. Okay, so right now
I'm doing it. Look, if I did this, I'm almost done.
let me see. Yeah, so here Jasmine's strategy is, oh, baby is wasting her time in drinking some water. Oh, which one is her? Red or this one? Blue? Okay. So baby wants to drink some more water, okay? Oh, baby is also done with the what? She just use the blue one, okay? Yeah, Jasmine is eating. Jasmine and baby actually they are in like in a very good position. Okay, baby is almost done. Jasmine is also almost done. So I'm not sure, guys, who's gonna win this time.
I'm definitely I'm gonna. Good thing I have the fork to roll it on. Get it? Roll it on. Get it?
Okay. So baby wants to drink milk. What is this?
Yay! Well, get it done. I'm still the one to be the winner finally. Didn't tell to anybody, not to anybody.
So guys, I want to show Jasmine picture.
No.
Some of the picture that Jasmine has drawn. So it's a beautiful. And Jasmine wants to be an artist. Yes, Jasmine?
One day my whole house will be covered with painting.
Yeah, she wants the whole house to be covered with painting. Yeah.
And then I'll put it in the museum.
Yeah, and she wants to put that in the museum.
And then I'll be the latest art people.
So guys, you can comment. Oh, she wants the water again, guys. So
she's wasting her time.
maybe we are wasting too much time.
At least I talked, now I'm gonna finish. The last final bite.
Show the baby and eat so she can. Oh. Oh, she's almost done.
Oh! This is the last bite. Oh. I win.
Wait, there is a little bit left.
No,
Little bit left. Look at this. There is 2 pieces. Maybe I can eat just one. Okay, let me see. I can help you.
Thank you.
Oh, she wants to help you too. She wants to eat 1 piece too.
Good. This is my lucky day. Today is my lucky day. Yay! This is my lucky day.
Okay.
Now I'm done.
Okay, Jasmine is done. Okay,
I'm
this much left, but it's done. Okay.
getting
Okay, so I will give you the chocolate. So the winner is actually Jasmine, and let me see the Eva. Eva is also done. Okay, winner is both of them.
No.
A little bit okay.
I started first and baby started last.
Okay.
Okay,
Anyway, I'll just give them chocolate. So
Just
guys, since they are doing really good, okay, just wait. I'm gonna give first to Jasmine.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give this much to Jasmine,
Yay. I got one.
and this one's to baby. So baby can eat. That's it. So they both did really good job. So I'm giving them some dark chocolates. So let's see, guys.